Good evening, Barangay Tobol! Okay, and of course, I would like to thank Tubod Elementary School with their school head, Mrs. B. Irene Elena Daquiado, for inviting me here to be one of the judges. And of course, sa ato ang mayor na naagin niyang presensya and sa ato ang barangay kapitan, maayong gabi. And here are the criteria for judging. So we have the minor awards. So minor awards will be their exposures. And these are the production number, house chores, summer wear, talent, and gown. So every exposure, we are going to rate 1 as the lowest and 10 as the highest. So kada exposure na ang awardan ana o nga usa ka candidates. Okay, so there's a tendency nga mahakot po gid niya, no? If deserve po gid niya ang minor awards. And then, we have the major awards. So this major award contents are the following criteria. We have the beauty, 35%. Intelligence, 35%. Poised and weary, 20%. Stage presence, 10%. And a total of 100%. So kaning major awards, this will be the criteria in choosing the top 3. Okay, so we have the Hot Mama 2025, first runner-up and second runner-up. So that's all, and thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sir Lester. So, congratulations, DI. Yun na, Sir Lester is a new passer sa atong principal exam. So, now, thank you so much. Principal gives na siya. Yeah? So, blessing kay ka and congratulations. Usa na na sa haligi sa dili sa balyang napod siya. Okay, thank you.